Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to play workshop maps and CS2 in Counter-Strike 2. Are you looking for a quick guide how to play workshop maps in CS2? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so how to play custom workshop maps in CS2. Although there is no CS2 Steam Workshop yet, you can play custom workshop maps by installing the map file and using the console to load the map. And to do this, you need to download the map you want to play and paste it in the CS2 map directory located here. This or this one that I'm highlighting, pause the video, and then launch the game and open the console command by pressing the squiggly key or the key that's under the escape key. After that, write the command prompt open, enter the following command, which is map %map_name %, as you can see here, with the map name being the name of the map you just pasted in the folder. And then after that, the console command will now provide some auto commands, follow them, and the custom workshop map should load by itself. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.